Today we shall study about the inheritance of two genes. You have studied about the inheritance of one gene by which the Mendel proposed two laws, that is the first law, the law of dominance, and the second law, the law of segregation. Now when Mendel studied about inheritance of two genes, he proposed still a third law that is known as law of independent assortment. When Mendel worked with a pea plant that differed in two characters, as seen in the cross between the pea plant that had seeds with yellow color and round shape and one that had seeds of green color and wrinkled shape, Mendel found that the seeds resulting from the crossing of the parents had yellow colored and round shaped seeds. Here, the yellow color was dominant over green and round shape dominant over wrinkled. These results were identical to those that he got when he made separate monohybrid crosses between yellow and green seeded plants and between round and wrinkled seeded plants. Let us use the genotype symbol capital Y for dominant yellow seed color and small y for recessive green seed color. Capital R for round shaped seeds and small r for wrinkled shaped seeds. The genotype of the parents can then be written as capital R, capital Y, capital Y, and small r, small y, small y. When Mendel made a cross between a pure line round yellow pea plant with the pure line wrinkled green plant, he observed that in F1 generation, all the seeds they were round yellow. He proposed that this round yellow is due to the round shape being dominant over wrinkled shape and yellow being dominant over green color. The gametes produced by the round yellow were capital R, capital Y, whereas that of the wrinkled green, small r, small y. So the genotype of the F1 was capital R, small r, and capital Y, small y, so that all the seeds became round yellow. Now, when Mendel made a cross, self-cross between the F1 generation plants, he found that this round shape was not always assembled with the yellow color seeds. Means not only the parental round yellow and wrinkled green were found, rather two new combinations, that is round green and wrinkled yellow, they were also found in the F2 generation. He explained it as the gametes which were formed by the hybrid round yellow, that is capital R, small r, and capital Y, small y, there were four types: the capital R, capital Y, small r, capital Y, capital R, small y, and small r, small y. Here, students, you find that capital R, capital Y, and small r, small y, they were the parental combination. But two new recombinants, that is small r and capital Y, and capital R, small y, that was a new combination, showing that the gene capital R is independent of the gene capital Y or small y. Similarly, the small r is independent to go with the capital Y or the small y. Thus, we find that in F2 generation, four types of phenotypes were obtained, that is round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled green, in which the round yellow were 9. The ratio between round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled green was 9:3:3:1. This showed that the genes for the seed shape and seed color, both dominant and recessive, they were independent to make the gametes, and this is called the law of independent. The law of independent assortment states that when two pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of character is independent of the other pair. This is known as law of independent assortment.